Research how to buy shares of Tenaya Therapeutics Inc. Tenaya Therapeutics Inc. is a clinical stage biotech company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TNYA, and this video is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy a TNYA, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker TNYA. Then select the result that matches Tenaya Therapeutics Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview and key details to confirm it is Tenaya Therapeutics Inc. Check the price chart and recent trading data to make sure you are on the right listing. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review order settings such as order type and position size. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before completing the purchase. After execution, your Tenaya Therapeutics position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.